Hello everyone, today we are going to make a Cubano coffee. There is someone who asked me to make Cubano coffees for him because his favorite coffee is Cubano coffee. But today I'm going to show you even how to make a ice latte Cubano coffee. Cubano coffee is normal coffee but by addition brown sugar. Yeah, you add brown sugar then it become brown Cubano coffee. Yeah, that is ice latte Cubano coffee. Very delicious drink, cold drink, very good. Then we start with making a normal espresso. We take like 70 grams of coffee powder, then we level it, we tamp. After tamp, then we put 10 grams of brown sugar. Yeah, 10 grams of brown sugar. Then you level it. After, then you rinse your blueprint. Then is actually normal how to make espresso. After to add that brown sugar, it's actually normal how to make espresso. You already know how to make espresso because in my videos there is videos how to make espresso. Then after that you taste how Cubano coffee is. Yeah, that is espresso Cubano coffee. You see the crema, yeah, it has very good crema, and let's give taste. Aroma is good, everything is good. Now we are going to make a ice latte Cubano coffee. Yeah, after to taste our Cubano espresso, we are going to make ice latte Cubano coffee. Ice latte Cubano coffee, how to make it? You have to bring the ice. Yeah, you have to bring the ice. Then you put like two ice cube and or three. Then add that espresso. Yeah, after to add that espresso, you have to cross your shaker. Then the next step is to make the shake, sorry, is to shake your espresso very well. You have to shake your Cubano coffee very well. Then you put in the glass. Yeah, we are ready to make our latte iced Cubano coffee. Yeah, our latte iced Cubano coffee. Then you have to add milk. Yeah, this is a fat milk, but if you don't like fat milk, you have to add that another milk which is not fat, which is fatless. Yeah, then this is how to make a ice latte Cubano coffee, even Cubano coffee. Yeah, thank you so much. Make sure you hit subscribe button. See you in the next video.